Show everybody how you brush your teeth, Anthony.
Hi, Anthony. Well, after you brush your teeth, you gotta brush your teeth first. I don't. Yes, you do. I love you. Oh.
Leave it on. Leave it on.
No.
Show me how you brush your teeth. It's going to be kind of hard to call this clip Anthony brushing his teeth if he doesn't brush his teeth.
That's cold.
Should we call it Anthony washing his feet?
Uh-oh.
It's alright, don't worry, hug it.
Oh, cracking knees. Now it's dirty.
Anthony,
It's dirty.
brush your teeth.
No. I'm not. No, I'm not.
No, now I know what the name of this clip is. Anthony's 2. He says no.
No.
Be a nice boy.
Yeah. Anthony. Are you gonna brush your teeth first?
I'm gonna put the movie on Nick. Ready?
Hi, Nick. Hey, Nick. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Nick.
Where's your smiles we were getting earlier? Why haven't you smiles?
Where's Mommy?
Where's my smiles?
You getting ready for your bottle, dude? Hi. Where's she going? You're bobbly. You're bobbly today. Hi. Hi there. Aw, give Auntie Sarah hugs. Aw.
Oh.
Okay, warning, panning back to Anthony. Are you all done?
He's just playing. No, I'm not. Are you sure? No, I'm not. You look like you're playing. No. Hey, Nick.
Anthony said bye-bye. Oh, you brushing your teeth now? What? Are you all done with the movie? Say bye, everybody.